Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Porsche Cayenne key cover. First, make sure you have your new key cover ready, along with a small, flathead screwdriver. It's also a good idea to work in a clean, well-lit area to avoid losing any small parts. Double-check that your new cover is the correct one for your specific Porsche key model before you begin. This preparation ensures a smooth and easy replacement process. Now, let's carefully remove the old key cover. Look for the small release button, usually found on the side of your key fob. Press this button firmly and then slide out the metal emergency key blade. With the blade removed, you'll see a small seam. Use your flathead screwdriver to gently pry open the old cover, working around the edges until it separates. Take your time to avoid damaging the internal components. With the old cover off, it's time to install your stylish new one. Carefully align the new key cover pieces with the main body of your key fob. Make sure all the buttons and openings line up perfectly. Once aligned, press the cover pieces firmly together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely in place. Finally, slide the emergency key blade back into its slot until it locks. Before you finish, take a moment to test all the functions of your key, including locking, unlocking, and the trunk release. Also, double-check that the new cover is snug and secure, with no gaps or loose edges. A well-fitted cover protects your key's electronics. For an even smarter home, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It offers voice control, self-emptying, and is pet-friendly. You can find a link to this amazing vacuum and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.